welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to, how to view your Instagram comment story. So this is a few options you can try to view this story. The first step is go to the Instagram app, and here in this heart, outside of the message of the DM's message, you can see your story, like the people who comment to your story, of someone liked the comment you typing in a post of the another person. But this is the first option. The another option is go to the app of the part of settings and activity. Here in the superior right corner, in these three lines, you can go to information or the part of security. If you want to be more specific, you type in download your information. You pick here, and Instagram's send to you to the option of download your information. You can pick here and download or transfer information, and here you got the history of your comments, your posts, your histories, and you can download that in Instagram. So this is the two options you can do. This is an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.